Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the CEYOMUR trail camera with 2.7K and 24 megapixel. It's a hunting camera with a maximum memory up to 128 gigabyte. This you can reach with the SD card. It's a nice cam with 120 degrees detection angle and 0.2 second trigger time. 2.4 inches LCD night vision is on board, waterproof, and it's for wildlife monitoring and hunting. Of course, you can also use it indoor. The video capture modes goes from 2.7K over 2K, 1296p, 1080p, and I think the 1080p version is the best choice because of the dimensions and the power supply. 720p, 480p, and 360p. It's an upgraded ultra-high photo and video resolution. The professional CMOS image sensor with up to 24 megapixel, with a premium automatic focus optic lens and 40-piece low glow LEDs deliver outstanding crisp images and HD video up to 2.7K with more vivid details during the day and night. With 2.4 inches LCD screen, this trail camera CY70 lets us enjoy fantastic visual feasts in nature. Combined with three sensitive passive infrared sensors, up to 120 degrees detection angle and 116 degrees ultra-wide lens, this trail camera provides wider field of view for the wildness. The shooting range is at our disposal by turning on or off the side PIR sensor in the menu. Highly sensitive PIR sight sensors make the trail camera capture photos and videos without any delay, up to amazing fast 0.2 seconds trigger speed, and 1 to 10 photos choice each trigger, and 20 meters that are 66 feet trigger distance won't let us miss any important moments of wildlife. And this trail camera supports the memory card. Of course, the memory card should be faster than Class 6, and it is not included, so you have to buy it by yourself. And this is sold separately, up to 128 of gigabyte. This allows us to take more pictures and videos and reducing the frequency of removing files from the card. And IP66 waterproof material guarantees the hunting camera can work in several environments and in the temperature between minus 20 degrees Celsius and up to 60. Wow, that's cool. Featuring with advanced microphone and speaker, the trail camera lets us experience the melody of nature. And it comes with password protection, time interval, Time-Lapse itself and Time-Lapse, the brightness of the IR LED and photo number, including in the menu settings but not limited to novel functions like shutter speed, night shot in low battery power, etc. etc. Here comes so a big bunch of possibilities by using the CEYOMUR trail camera CY70. Clearer, wider, and of course stronger. They usually suggest 8 high-quality batteries. Rechargeable batteries are of course available, and this is better for the nature. So you have to get there, in the best case, use batteries AA or NIMH batteries to get the power in it. Oh yeah. The CEYOMUR trail camera CY70 is compatible with 6-volt 2 ampere power supply, so you do not need batteries anymore. You can make a power supply easily. The CEYOMUR trail camera CY70 supports SD cards up to 128 gigabyte. Of course, the speed requirement of the SD card is not slower than the Class 6. The SD card should be inserted on or if there is the camera system in off mode. So we have to format the SD card before using the camera, but this is a standard way. We do not use a micro SD card with a card adapter. The SD card and the batteries are not included in the package, but I think it's no problem. If you have a card adapter, this will work. On test mode, if the red and green indicator light blinks, which means that the sensor can work. You can program what's going on if you are going on by using the lever to on mode, and then it will start. When switched to on mode, the blue indicator will blink and the screen will turn black in a few seconds, which means that the camera is now working after you adjust everything. 40 pieces of low glow 815 nanometers IR LEDs captures moments day and night. The advanced low glow infrared technology enables a CY70 trail camera to capture stunning crystal clear nighttime pictures and videos at night. Its camouflage body and the lock hole design makes the hunting camera not easy to be found by animals and stolen by people in the wilderness. That's a big thing. 24 megapixel and 2.7 resolution is possible. This gives this game-changing outdoor camera ability to capture terrific pictures and HD videos. It's bringing us an immersive experience like watching a movie when replaying that. And 3 passive infrared sensors offer 120 degrees wider detection range and 0.2 seconds of shorter trigger speed. That's fast because of the 3 PIR sensor and amazing fast trigger speed of 0.2 seconds. This lets the trail camera be more sensible to faster motion and delivers a wider view for wildlife moments. This is allowing us closer to the nature and seeing the mystery in the wildness. And of course, IP66 waterproof, rain, dust, and fog resistant. This trail camera adopts the IP66 rated waterproof material, which can withstand rain, dust, and fog. It's making it even work without any problem in the extreme temperature between minus degrees Celsius 20 and plus 60 degrees Celsius. This is the CMOS awesome camera, and I see here in this video you can see what the footage can be. It looks really brilliant, really nice, and slow-mo time-lapse is possible too, and you can see what kind of animals are around my house here. Wow, that's awesome. This trail camera can be applied to wildlife observation, hunting, and farm burgle, which lets us capture the wildlife's activities in the wild and monitor nighttime and daytime visitors on our garden, like hedgehogs, foxes, mice, birds, and badgers. It is also a perfect gift for wildlife photographers and wildlife watchers, biological researchers, and nature enthusiasts. That's cool. That's really cool because it's easy. The first step is we have to see in the front side. We have an infrared LED screen that is so big. Then we have a motion indicator. Then we have a camera lens. This is the center lens, a light sensor. Then we have a lock hole, a central motion sensor, and a side motion sensor. So we have 3 motion sensors for the front, for the right, and for the left to get more motion detected. On the inner side of this device, if we open it like a book, an LCD display, an operation button, a mode switch, an SD card slot on the bottom side, a mini USB port to transfer the SD video and photo data, the battery holder, and there it fits a 246 8 AA batteries, a DC in port, and a nuts interface 1/4. And this is awesome because then you can use your tripods with it. It's really easy. We have to attach the batteries. Then we insert the SD card. Then we go to setup and make a language setup: English, France, Dutch, Petusk, Petit Cru. Then we set our clock easily by navigating with the keys and choose by OK. Then we format the SD card. We have to confirm to format the SD card before using the camera. Then we can go to the different options. Interval means 30 seconds. Photo or video, that makes awesome photos and videos. And then we can choose the photo size. For example, 8 megapixel or more, of course. Then we can choose more interval or less interval. The default settings are 30 seconds interval, photo or video is photo, and photo size is the default 8 megapixel. We place the camera on a tree or a pole approximately 3 up to 6 feet high. If we are mounting the camera to cover a trail or other things, we face the camera down a little bit to the trail, tilted at the slight downward angle. We face the camera north or south to avoid overexposure from the sun. And then it can't go on. Switch to on, and then let's have action with that. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.